The Materials Project turns fundamental sciences into real life by allowing us to study physical systems, materials, chemicals, and how they apply to the real world, from everything from batteries, lights, photodetectors, photovoltaics, to technology that's in your phone like semiconductors. We're working with people who do a lot of artificial intelligence, machine learning applications. It's really crucial to be able to deliver terabytes of data seamlessly.
For the Materials Project's key point is that our users are our collaborators. It's important for us that the data is highly accessible so that they can drive their own research and then contribute back to the wider material science community.
We chose Amazon Web Services as our cloud provider. That provides us easy scaling, and we don't have to maintain that infrastructure with the lean team of researchers that we have. And we also run database clusters in MongoDB Atlas. That allows us to do automatic scaling when the demand increases. The Materials Project today serves over 600,000 users in 178 different countries. That represents a growth of more than double in the last 3 years since we transitioned to MongoDB Atlas on AWS. The future of the Materials Project is to become the go-to platform for materials data. With MongoDB Atlas and AWS in place, we have a solid foundation to deliver on this vision.